Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm making my coffee. It smells so good. Atlas kicked me up in my back the whole night. Oz is in here. MoMo, Atlas. I haven't woken up yet. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Oz! Good morning! Oz, you not impressed with us anymore?
No.
What ups? So as you guys know, in the mornings I come out here to kind of hide. Have my coffee. Sometimes I will just sit out here. It's cool. I can kind of see out a little bit. Sometimes I take my journal out here and I just, write. I write a lot of my morning intros for my show out here, like I normally write it like the day of. So I do that as well, which is like, a moment. It's almost like a journal entry, my intros for my show. So that's really nice. But yeah, I didn't wake up early enough this morning, so I'm hiding out here for a little bit while the boys eat breakfast. Thank God MoMo is here with me. She's just kind of overseeing them while I just take a minute. Mamas, we need a minute. It's time to eat. Remember, do not put that yolk all over the place. Pause that. Pause what you're watching. Pause what you're watching. Alright, now eat please. What you have there? That looks like egg and banana bread. Jeez, your father.
But it's hot.
It's hot?
Can you cool it?
If you just take a bite out of it and let it cool. Okay.
Hot.
You want me to cut it?
Yeah.
You eating up your toast? This one don't like to chew. The other boys by now were chewing and carrying on. This one just want cut and swallow. Here, you want another piece of toast? Come. Chew, chew, chew. Good job. Huh?
Please, may I have some seaweed?
I was saving the seaweed for later.
Why?
Because I'm making something with it.
Can I just have like 2 pieces or 1? Please. Please.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So this is a favorite snack in the house and I have to guard it with my life. I feel like you guys ate one when I wasn't looking because this is the last one. I'm sure about 4.
I never ate one. It was Atlas.
How it taste?
Mmm.
It's so good, eh? I know. I have to get more. Oh, ow. Oh, okay. That's how I eat it. How do you eat yours, Jack? Piece at a time.
It gets stuck on your gum sometimes.
Nice. This. Okay. No more. That's it. Gonna put up the rest for later, okay? Atlas, no. Atlas, no. Go on. Put that in the sink. Atlas, you can't eat the baby snacks, okay? Stop eating them out.
Okay. Hey, blow.
You can have a balloon, but stop eating those, okay?
Okay.
How did I do?
Great.
Yeah? Did I do it as good as Daddy?
Yeah. Look at the ice cream cone.
Wow. I'm an expert.
I'm in a real car.
Wow. Hey, Bubba. You climbing up? Come.
We're home. Mama, we're home. Time to park the car.
Hey, Bubba.
That's what's on our city.
Let's do your affirmation for the day. What's your affirmation?
I'm gonna be a good boy, mommy.
Very good.
And then I see I'm not gonna do anything naughty to Jackson. naughty to daddy, and naughty to mommy, and naughty to Momo.
Very good. Stop it now. So what else is a part of your affirmation? Today is gonna be a great
Day.
Very good. Okay. Don't forget your affirmation, okay?
Yes.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hold on, you have to close your eyes and try and find me. Close your eyes and kiss. Oh, come again. Oh, that was close. Come again. Yay!
Bingo.
Mama, let me tell you something again.
Uh-huh.
You do it when I close my eyes and you turn into something.
Okay. What should I turn into?
No.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
He wants me to do the face. Go. Don't frighten him.
No.
Oh, do the
Remember
face,
when we
that's
were
fine.
I said that you have to do a face, a granny face.
A granny face. Okay, go on then. Okay, open.
No.
That's not it?
No. A granny.
What does a granny look like? You did a granny face. Gee! Like that?
Tami,
I'm just
Yeah.
you see some people that say you have the
Foolish.
patience of a saint.
I'm not patient. They just see the patient parts.
Now they get a spy cam and tape you when you have the meltdown them.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you
I'm
get
going to do the same to you. I'm going to do the same to you. I'm going to do the same to you. Just like how me I gonna catch how much time you really eat in a day.
Yo,
Yeah, man.
Yo, listen
No,
to me.
man. Touch my can and me I gotta touch your can.
Calm yourself, man.
Can yourself.
Eat my can and I gotta eat your can.
Of course you have to eat, right? So
Tami! So you must send a picnic and come to me, man.
Wait, I'm very good at making something.
I was getting a spike on, but I miss when you cussing.
I do.
Allah, stop talking about doing it in the video, them the man, Jesus Christ.
was ever said to you, but you
I
got that.
did, but I missed it right after. Like, yo, get on the pillow, let me start.
Yo, wicked.
Take the kiss and give me the pillow.
Who tell you about that?
I'm tired of hearing that. But
No.
after,
Stupid.
No, don't say stupid. When you said Jesus Christ, what? Take this. Jackson, you know how it go?
Give me the kiss. Wait. Give me the kiss. Give me the
No, it's not give me the case and take the pillow. It's take the pillow and give me the case. Or it's take the case and give me the pillow.
I'm spraying this now.
You want to lie down on top of me?
Yes,
Okay. Why?
because it's more comfortable than just like putting my knees right on the mat.
What do you ever
and
think
sleep.
about what's comfortable for me? Do you think it's comfortable for me?
Yes,
You do.
it's comfortable for me.
But is it comfortable for me?
Yes,
Why do you think it's comfortable for me?
because it's comfortable for me.
No, but that's not how it works. Although technically you're right, because I love to make my children comfortable. But just think about that. Yes, Alice. So you still want to do it even though I've told you it's not very comfortable for me. Even if it feels like it's squishing out my insides. Oh God. Every time. He thinks he's a little baby. Oh my God. Okay, lie down. All right, there we go. Sir, why tucking like that? Why your shirt tucking like that?
Hey.
And sir, where are you going, Oz? No, Oz, don't eat whatever you're trying to eat, please.
I'm off the mat.
Him off the mat. Let's put him back on. Lunch today is some leftover Thai green curry and some butter chicken. This is the bomb. We haven't eaten out in months, and yesterday I just took it upon myself to get this, and I'm having it for lunch today. When I come home from work, I'm starving, so I'm just gonna demolish this right now BRB. Oh, you're lucky.
Not true, me just made of a kind of.
Can't even tie the balloon.
Just lotion myself.
Hello, what do you say?
Thank you.
Alright.
You're welcome.
Forget your manners. I ate the rest of the food in the fridge.
Huh?
Alright, I ate the rest of the food.
Thai curry?
It's so good.
Yo, the green curry, that body, no?
It's our vibe. The mother have it, so you do it better than me, you know.
What, blow?
Yeah. My cheeks are hurting me from doing just 2 balloons today. It's crazy.
You'd be a professional blower by now.
Wow. Okay. So I think one of the videos we should do is a mukbang video.
A mukbang?
Yeah.
Like what kind of mukbang?
I don't know.
By the way, Tami introduced me to the fullest something ever
He
seen.
loves it. Don't let him trick you. He loves it.
No.
You love it.
Especially that woman that was sloppy and just...
B-Love? Don't this B-Love, you know.
Yo.
Hey, B-Loves!
No, B.
You're crazy. B-Love is a queen.
No, man.
Salute.
It's borderline disgusting to me.
It's not!
To hear people that eat food and a chew and a rear and their mouth a clap and a go so.
I love it.
No, sir.
But that's how you eat.
Some of the food look good, but not lie.
No, but that's how you eat. It shouldn't bother you.
I mean, that's how I eat, but I don't try to promote it to make people hear. Me I eat and me I personally enjoy my food for myself.
Let's do a mukbang.
Huh?
Let's do one.
What kind of mukbang?
I would like seafood.
Seafood, man.
I'm tired, Wayne.
Aren't you?
No, just
Or the radio show going today?
Really good. We're talking about love languages.
Is that true?
What's your love language? I know your love language.
What me just say?
No, babe. That's not like that.
No, that was
Oh,
my
you just
love
said
language.
my love language is words of affirmation.
I just said that?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, nobody come back between you come and say, you know my love language. Out of all of them, what's my love language? Words of affirmation, acts of service, gifts, or physical touch or quality time. What's my number one love language? The way I receive love.
Acts of service. Yeah.
So why don't you fix the gate?
Yo, my youth, and me I go fix it. Me I try call the man, me never COVID him catch.
My arm is hurting me. I can't hold this up anymore.
Can't get the G look like him sick out or something.
I have to stop filming my arm. Need muscles. Mukbang man.
Yo, you go say, I had the real mukbang. You feel a mukbang. My youth, why you always listen? Remember, you know, people. This blog is only 15 minutes of our life, but you still should always find 3 minutes to showcase me and eat. I eat 3 meals a day. See my lunch,
Okay.
some leftover pizza where the picnic them eat yesterday. I'm say, I'm gonna chop off 2 of the slice them. Then why you always want to
Wait, we eat. It's a part of life. I showed them my lunch and now I'm showing them yours.
I'm just highlighting the fact that you're wicked.
No.
You're wicked.
Catch me if you're bad then. Next time, catch me and yam.
It's alright, man.
You know.
I tell the people that say you cut Jesus slippers, but it look like it's worse.
What?
Look like it helped them force down the mac upon Jesus.
No bother with that. No bother with that.
Wicked.
Force down the mac upon him, Edwin. Where do you come from? Wayne say a while ago about force down the mac upon Jesus' head. And what you say, Maureen?
All of us.
All of us.
All of us.
Don't make me turn this in a church today.
No.
All of
All
us.
of us. All of us. Not one.
That was
All
very
of us.
profound.
Yes.
That was profound what you just said.
For all of us. All of us.
I just love that.
More fix things. And you see who they over and watch everything. You see who they over and watch everything. Tell you say, I'm me a fair assistant now. So I catch the thing them little, you see me? Something them. And thing. Sorry.
So call you again, man.
Alright, my Jenna. You have my career now.
Yeah, dinner time.
Alright, my Jenna.
I'm just going to drop off something. Wait,
Marina.
what are you doing?
I'm gonna close the door with me in it.
No, babe,
Mama, what do
please.
you say?
Don't be so. You see the 12-year-old obsessed with me?
Mama, what do you say?
I'm coming. I'm
Where
just
she-
going to
where
drop
she thinks she
something.
going,
I'm
Peeps?
dropping off something for Auntie Tessie.
I don't want you
Can I
to go,
go?
Sam.
I won't go.
No,
with me.
Atlas. It's
Stay with us. Stay with us. Combo, where you going?
I'll be right back.
I'm missing you so much.
Come on.
Guys, the quicker I go, the quicker I'm back. Quicker I go, the quicker I come back.
Huh?
Quicker I go, the quicker I come back. Wayne, help me. You're not helping me.
No, you have to lock the door with us in there. We're protesting. Ooh!
I'll do it.
Let's get out of here. She got on psycho.
Try not to miss me too much, guys.
Don't go. Don't go.
Hold the
Listen to my
baby.
love language. Don't
Hold
go.
the baby.
Ella está, mi amor. Kunta stele to tapayay. Kunta stele po to sayay. My love language.
Mama, I want coma.
Daddy's going to give you something nice.
Yeah.
Very easy for bribes, so my youth. You have to hold your ground in a dog.
Why is Mama going somewhere?
Hmm?
Why does Mama have to go to Auntie Tessie's house?
Yo, that's my question to you, know, daddy. Come here, me and you run off the place, daddy.
Why does she have to go to Baby Zara's house?
She's just going to visit. She soon come back.
But I don't want her to go.
She soon come back.
Mango! So that's the thing?
Woman go and mango.
Will you give me something nice?
Woman go and man go.
Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. How long will it take to come home?
Huh?
How long will it take to come home?
Mommy
Look
still come back.
But look what I can do.
Careful of mine drop.
I'm trained for this.
Hmm?
I'm trained for this.
You're training to
Yeah.
balance?
Yeah.
You're practicing?
And before this, you have to practice now.
No, I'm not going to practice. Just don't poop, okay?
Because you're
Anything
going
you
to
do.
fall. And you're too big.
Yeah, I'm too big. I'm just too big
I'm just too
to be
big.
standing on the chairs. I'm just too big
And I'm just too small, so
to be
I
standing
can
over there. I'm just too big
to stand on the
to
wall.
stand on the wall. I'm just too big to
I'm just-
keep on standing tall. Careful, mind if fall.
Balancing.
Good balancing.
This is very dangerous for you. You might fall.
Mm-hmm.
It's only for small children.
Okay.
So I can do this only, not you, because you're a grown up.
I'm too big.
Yes. Hey,
It's too dangerous
hey, you
for
know,
big people.
but do you
perfect
know I
for
can do this?
Small
Do
children.
you know I can do
That's
this?
life in a nutshell. Hey, dude, sing Stupid Money, let me hear.
Stupid money, rich and simple. I'm a big man, tons of money to be a big successful. Alright then, do you like that? I'm gonna be the last to boot that. Just set up the first and you with the teeth and set up. Find the treasure, I won't be there. I got that. Focus to the my boot get her. Every trap boot get her.
Regarding dancehall artists, check the passes. Jay is my artist, but I'm thinking like the song.
Can
Can you
I
learn Stupid Money, sir? You know that song Vice? I sang that song long before you're born, you know.
Alexa.
Alexa. You run to Alexa. Alexa play Stupid Money by Wade Marshall and Agent Sasko. Every time. I'm a #1 fan, you know.
Ooh, these look serious. This looks serious.
Alright, this is the Atlas Patwa challenge. Okay? You ready for the Patwa challenge? Say me ready, my youth.
Ready, my youth.
That bad. Alright, say wheel and come again, my selector.
We
Go on now.
gonna go get my selector.
Alright, that bad. Say, hey my youth, what go on?
Again.
Go on and say, hey my youth, what go on?
Emma, you walk one.
That bad. Say, where you cook for dinner?
Where you cook for dinner?
Alright, if go on decent this so. Say, hear me and say no.
I'm your sinner.
Decent. Say, what the pre? Where you going with?
What a breed, where you going with?
I know Jackson. I don't think he would have passed that challenge. Yeah. Hold on now.
I'll
No.
do it. I will do.
Say, yo, give me the phone, daddy.
Give me the phone, daddy.
Where you deal with?
We deal with the phone.
Choman.
Come on.
Me a bad kiss teeth. Yo, star. Say, yo, star. Say, yo, star.
You star!
Come on, go on, good enough. You're the sweetest thing I ever know. You're my atlas. You're my atlas. You're the sweetest thing I ever know. You're my atlas. You're my atlas. Baby atlas. You're a king. Baby atlas. You the song I sing. Baby atlas. Nice playing, boy. You're a song that you know.
Can you do the iguana son?
One more time. Say pull up.
Pull up!